Welcome back to the Beijing Shooting Range Hall for the men's 10-meter air rifle final. We'll pick it up with the final 3 rounds of the competition. Here are the standings after 6 shots. Hakkanen of Finland on top, followed by Bindra and Chinan. This is Zhu Qinan of China with his 7th shot, and Bindra and Hakkanen with their 7th shots as well. Bindra with a 12.6. And so now, after 7 rounds, Hakkanen is now in 2nd place. Chinan drops to 3rd place. And Abhinav Bindra is on top of the leaderboard. On to the 8th round now. And Bindra and Hakkanen firing again. Bindra with another excellent score, and he retains the lead after 8 shots. Hakkanen is 2nd. Chinan is 3rd. Now to the 9th round. Moldovano still in contention. A 10.3. Now Hakkanen and Bindra. Bindra on the left, again your leader coming into the 9th round. And here is Zhu Qinan, drops to 3rd, still in 3rd. And Hakkanen and Bindra tied for the top spot. But due to a technicality, the judges award the gold medal to the youngster from India who was 7th in Athens in 2004, finished 1st in the 2006 World Cup Championship event, and here in Beijing, much to the dismay of Henri Hakkanen, it is Bindra who wins the gold medal. Hakkanen settles for the bronze medal as he drops down to 3rd place, and it's Zhu Qinan who moves up to 2nd to receive the silver medal, and the gold going once again to Abhinav Bindra of India, the youngest man to ever represent India in the Olympic Games, and the youngest shooter at the Games in Sydney. He comes to Beijing and watches as his nation's flag flies, and he holds the gold medal in the men's 10-meter air rifle finals.